Hey, it's John Tech here, and here's everything I know so far about the 2022 iPad Pro. Apple is set to release another generation of iPad Pro in 2022, a year after the model with M1 chip, mini-LED display, and 5G support was first introduced. The company is rumored to launch an even better iPad Pro this year with the upcoming M2 chip. Rumors regarding a new design for the iPad Pro 2022 started in June 2021. This new iPad could feature a glass back to enable wireless charging, most likely via MagSafe. Wireless charging replaces the usual power cable with an inductive mat, which makes it easier for users to top up their device's battery. It has grown into a common feature in smartphones, but it is a rarity among tablets. Apple added wireless charging to iPhones in 2017 and last year updated it with a magnet-based MagSafe system that ensured more consistent charging speeds. The company is testing a similar MagSafe system for the iPad Pro. Wireless charging will likely be slower than directly plugging in a charger to the iPad's Thunderbolt port, which will remain as part of the next models. According to some trusted sources, the company has developed iPad Pro prototypes with a larger Apple logo, similar to the one on the new MacBook Pro, but this one is made of glass. As a result, power will be transmitted through the glass logo. The prototype also has stronger magnets to prevent accidents, and it supports charges at faster speeds than MagSafe for iPhone. About its display, Apple is likely to maintain two different sizes, 11-inch and 12.9-inch. Although it was rumored that the 11-inch model was switched to the LCD panel for the mini-LED display, analysts Rose Young and Ming-Chi Kuo recently said that Apple will keep the LCD technology for the smaller iPad due to high costs of production. After Apple surprised everyone with the addition of the M1 chip on the iPad Pro, it's likely for the company to add an upgrade version of this processor to the upcoming 2022 iPad Pro. Naturally, this iPad will feature the M2 chip, which is rumored to be released with a redesigned MacBook Air. Also, this new iPad will feature new processor. It should be faster than M1, but it will not beat the M1 Pro, Max, or Ultra chips. I believe that this new iPad will be introduced in the second half of this year. While we first believed that the company could be planning to unveil a redesigned MacBook Air alongside this tablet, it seems like the new Mac could be announced around June. Rumors suggest that the Apple will likely launch this new iPad Pro around September and November. The 2021 12.9-inch iPad Pro got a $100 price increase due to the mini-LED display addition. I don't think Apple will change the price of the Pro pads, mostly because it's not going to bring mini-LED to the 11-inch version. So far, these are the rumors regarding the 2022 iPad Pro. As I hear more about it, I'll make sure to update you guys the very minute. And also, before you're leaving, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon.